Hello, it's Paul. I'm going to give you a quick introduction, as fast as I can, that is, to Zoho projects. This is 2019, full introduction to Zoho projects. I'm actually surprised I've never done this before. I'll show you exactly how you can use it, how your team can use it, obviously to manage projects, to track everything on a project that needs to be done from the start to finish. I'll show you integrations with other Zoho apps, and I'll show you especially with something like Zoho CRM and things like that. So I'm going to give you everything you need on Zoho projects today. This is not a full tutorial of how to use it. This will just be an introduction of the best features and ideas for you to use it. There is going to be full training on paulnicholson.com. It's free. If you go to paulnicholson.com, Zoho projects, I think it was one of the first. Here it is. Look, Zoho projects. And it's free to use. You just sign up, and there'll be separate lessons for each aspect. So don't feel like you've got to watch this video and learn everything in one go. What we'll do is we'll go through everything, and if you're watching on YouTube, I will itemize where each lesson starts. So I'll start different sections. I'll put the times where they start. So if you only watch a little bit, you can come back later and view it. If you're in the training, you can obviously see the areas for lessons. So before we start, I always just say, can you just pause me at this point, or wherever you're watching it, if you're watching it on my website or if you're watching it on YouTube, just comment and tell me why you're here. It really helps me year on year make these videos better, makes me understand what your requirements are, and I can comment back with some links to maybe more specific training for you or some ideas for you. So just do me a favor, press pause, tell me why you're here. Thank you.